today I'm doing mini braids. I'm hoping to keep the braids in for 6 weeks, maybe 2 months, who knows. What I do know though is this is gonna take me a really long time. I'm thinking maybe 12 hours. My hair smells amazing. I'm gonna get started. It is 11:04 a.m. the time. I am mirroring my phone to my iPad. When I'm parting the back of my head, I can see perfectly. I'm trying to be a little bit more light-handed with using gel on my scalp.
She's like jealous. Oh my god. So nervous, but at the same.
So it is 1:27 and this is where I'm at so far. A little break and some lunch. I love pineapple on pizza. All right, you guys, it is 2:08. I have to really focus and just do my hair straight, no breaks, for the next like 3 hours. I have to leave right now, so let me show you what I'm gonna do with my hair. Do a low ponytail and then I'm gonna find a hat. I probably will work on my hair for a little bit when I get back. We'll see how I feel.
Created in Egypt and India, if y'all remember from my noses video.
It is 10:08 and I'm just gonna finish the ends and then I think I'm gonna call it a night. Good morning. This is usually what I eat for breakfast. Do you guys think I'm gonna get my hair done today? I personally don't think I'm gonna get my hair finished today, but you know, I could surprise myself. My arms are on fire. I need to eat and then I will finish the back probably tonight. Then I'll start working on the front tomorrow. Yes, I did burn my eggs a little bit.
Say and get off her chest, and I believe that she would.
All right, you guys. I think today I will have my hair all done. Today is day 4, but technically 3 because yesterday I did not work on it at all. I have no choice. I need to get it done by today. Like that. It's yeah. I feel like I start off so strong, I go so fast, I think. And then when I get to the top is where I really slow down. We're almost done. I think I have pretty much 4 rows left. If I hold my braids up like this, you can kind of see the shape of my head and it really creeps me out. I do not like that. All right, you guys, I'm on my last braid. I feel like I never thought this was gonna happen. I really thought there was a point where I was gonna quit, but I'm so glad I didn't. Having to use some extensions to thicken up some of the braids in the front. Otherwise they would just be way too skinny. If you guys want like more in-depth video, I will have a video on my YouTube. So match it up and I'm going to cut. And that is it. That sizzling sound. Are you serious? I'm actually, can you guys believe I'm done? This is what the back looks like. I'm gonna let you guys know right now, I'm not switching out my hairstyle for months. I'm also thinking, is it possible to keep these braids in for 3 months? It's like, that's what I'm thinking right now. Like these are not going anywhere. I'm not taking them out. I think I could do 2 months. Is it possible to do 3 months or will my hair start to lock? Let me know. Also let me know how many braids you think I did. There must be like hundreds, right? Or am I crazy? Okay. Thank you for coming along on this journey with me.